Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morningshed. Today, I am going to take an Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, BGS Assignment 3 discussions. So let's see our today's class, my dear students. Class 8. Subject BGS, topic Assignment 3 discussions, term involved, lecture 8, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's come to our assignment. As you can see, class 8, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, assignment 3. Chapter and title of the chapter, chapter 3, cultural change and development of Bangladesh. Lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, cultural change and development idea of Bangladesh. Lesson 2, social change and characteristics of development. Lesson 3, different elements of cultural change and development. Lesson 4, different cultural changes, development in respect of Bangladesh. Lesson 5, the cultural changes and development process of Bangladesh. All the lessons mentioned in these chapters. Assignment or assigned task. Write an essay on the process of changing the way of life and adaptation to new COVID-19 situation. You have to write that essay within 300 words. What is the topic? Write an essay on the process of changing the way of life and adaptation to new COVID-19 situation. Maximum 300 words. Number 1, explanation of culture. Hints how we will write the essay. Number 2, examples of cultural changes. Number 3, different aspects of cultural changes. Number 4, significant attributes of economic changes in one's own family in COVID-19 situation. Decrease in income being economical or frugal. Number 5, features of social changes in one's own family in COVID-19 situation. New rules and regulations or change in organization and conduct of ceremonies such as weddings, birthdays and festivals. Adaptation to changed conditions due to COVID. Things which could be included, use of technology, changes in food habits, cleanliness, etc. So instruction, what is instruction? Number 1, read carefully the different aspects of cultural changes and how to adapt to cultural changes from the textbook. Number 2, know about the features of the changes through discussions with family members. Get idea about the changes in COVID-19 situation through discussion and exchanging experience of views with teachers, friends and family. Examples: lockdown, social distance, clean lifestyle, economic behavior, human responsibility, etc. Number 4, collect information regarding adaptation to changes from personal observations, internet, newspapers, television and other media. So assessment criteria, what are the assessment criteria? Number 1, full-fledged accuracy and consistency of the content. Number 2, a full-fledged expression of patriotism and self-sacrifice. Number 3, noticeable individuality and creativity in the presentation. Remarkably aesthetic and varied presentation. Very good accuracy and consistency of the content is in most cases. Number 2, though there is an expression of patriotism, a partial presence of self-sacrifice mentality, individuality and creativity in most cases, aesthetic and varied presentation, lack of consistency even though the content is accurate, are general manifestations of patriotism and self-sacrifice, partial individuality and creativity in presentation, partial aesthetic and varied presentation, lack of accuracy and consistency of the content, absence of patriotism and self-sacrifice mentality, lack of individuality and creativity in presentation, lack of aesthetic and varied presentation. You can contact with me, Muhammad Ariful Islam and Roshan Khandakar Madam. Okay, so submission date of your assignment 25/09/21, Saturday. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Take Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.